The Sennheiser CX Plus. Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. In this video, we'll look at the Sennheiser CX Plus earbuds. I will go over specs, features, provide music and microphone samples, then give my thoughts. I have included the link in the description below for the product. If you're new to my channel or have been here before, thanks for taking the time to watch. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, and enable notifications so you don't miss out on future videos. So let's take a look. Inside, it comes with the user guide, Type-C charging cable, and an assortment of ear tips. The earbuds feature 8 hours of listening time, 24 hours with the case. 10 minutes of charge will give you 1 hour. Uses Bluetooth 5.2, AAC, SBC aptX codec, ANC and a transparency feature, touch controls and an app, USB-C for charging, and it's IPX4 water resistant. The case is a hard plastic with a matte finish all around, unlike the True Momentum which had a fabric lining. On the top you have the logo. On the front of the case you have the status LED light, and on the back you have the USB-C charge port. The lid has a nice snap to it when opening and closing, and it feels tight. It has the branding inside, and the earbuds are easy to grip and remove from the case. Taking a look at the earbuds, it has a matte finish just like the case. Ear markings are on the inside face, similar to the True Momentum in design, but not as round. On the outside face, it has a glossy finish with the logo, and you have a large surface for the touch control. Each of the earbuds have interchangeable ear tips, charging contacts, sensor, LED, microphones, and touch control. Here they are side by side. Touch controls are straightforward, a few taps or a long press to navigate playback, calls, ANC, and the transparency feature. As mentioned, this has app integration. Once downloaded, you can customize the EQ settings or select from presets. You can also modify the touch control assignments along with updating the firmware. The case comes in at 2.3 by 1.3 by 1.6 inches. It weighs in at 35 grams and the earbuds come in at 12 grams. Now for some music samples. This will give you a sense on how they sound like. It is not a full representation of the overall sounds, as there's no replacements for actually having them on. It will then be followed by a microphone sample.
Like two magnets we are drawn to each other. You just know how to push all my buttons. Moved out of town and I erased your number, but still I find myself calling in the middle of the night, and there is nothing I can do. I am madly drawn to.
Now for a microphone sample in a noisy setting. This is a test of the Sennheiser CX Plus microphone. Testing 1 2 3. Testing 1 2 3. The microphone came in loud and clear during calls and other parties had no issues hearing me. One of the better ones that I have tested. The pairing process was instant, and when testing video on an iOS device, there was no noticeable latency. Range was stable as I tested in a 1400 square feet setting. Here are my thoughts on the earbuds. I found them to be extremely comfortable and comparable to the True Momentums. They seated well in my ears and they felt secure. I didn't feel excessive pressure in my ear canals. Touch controls are a plus since they don't add pressure. Build-in quality is solid. The case and earbuds feel durable. I like the hard case as opposed to the cloth finish. Earbuds do protrude out a bit when seated in your ears. The touch controls were very responsive and not overly sensitive, and very easy to navigate. Battery life is fair, coming in at 8 hours and 24 total with the case. I like the app integration, but I would have liked to seen wireless charging and a better IPX rating. The ANC feature worked as advertised, and this ranks up there with one of the best that I have tried. It canceled the surroundings very well. The transparency feature did the same, as it was able to pick up the surrounding sounds loud and clear. It sounded very natural. Now when it comes to sound, these definitely did not disappoint. The bass comes in prominent, deep, tight and punchy, and it doesn't overwhelm. Mids and highs were crisp and clean. Vocals and instruments do stand out and there's good separation. I like the wide soundstage. Just good all-around balanced sounds, and it's very crisp. It did well through various music genres that I tested it with. Overall, I feel these are a solid pair. In comparison to the Momentum True Wireless, those may just have a slight edge with the overall sounds, but not by very much in my opinion. The microphone and ANC and transparency feature were great, and of course the sounds won't disappoint on these. These definitely should be something to consider if you're looking for a premium pair of earbuds. So that is my review of the Sennheiser CX Plus True Wireless Earbuds. If you like my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care everyone.